Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3. We'll discuss the finding of the recent industrial visit undertaken by our team of consultant engineers at Papering Box and Pack Sendirian Berhad. So, this is our group members. Firstly, we have Muhammad Amir Zain bin Muhammad Rizam, DE 240082. And then we have Vignesh Someng Han, CE 240139. Next, we have Muhammad Zul Hakimi bin Sattar, DE 240101. And next is me, Muhammad Syazwi Izani bin Harun Nizam, CE 240114. And lastly, we have Muhammad Fawaz Hakimi bin Aziz, CE 240184. On 6 June 2025, we had the opportunity to visit Papering Box and Packs Sendirian Berhad. Our main objective visit was straightforward to truly identify and analyze the diverse application of various electrical machines operating within their industrial framework. This report, which I'm about to introduce, provides a comprehensive account of our observation. Specifically, it delves into three key types of electrical machine we encountered: motors, generators, and transformers. For each of these machines, we detail it to specific ratings, performance characteristics, and integral application within the company industrial process. Beyond just describing what we saw, this report also highlights pertinent issues and challenges associated with this electrical machine. Crucially, it doesn't stop there. We've gone further to propose actionable suggestions for improvement, all aimed at enhancing the overall efficiency, reliability, and operational performance of Papering Box and Pack Sendirian Berhad system. In essence, this document is a deep dive into practical application of electrical engineering in an industrial setting, identifying both strengths and areas for strategic enhancement. Now, let's briefly touch upon the company itself, Papering Box and Pack Sendirian Berhad. This company was officially incorporated in Malaysia on 8 December 2003. Its main operational base is located Kelang, Selangor. For your reference, their registration number is 0636380 or 2003-0103-3959. Papering Box and Pack operates across several key business activities, such as their core business involves the printing of packaging box all of kind. This is a significant part of their operation and what we primarily focus on during our visit. Beyond that, they are also involved in the supply of office stationeries. And finally, they serve as a distributor for other related printing and packaging products. This diversified business model gives them a strong presence in the packaging and office supply sector within Malaysia.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Fahimi bin Aziz. My metric number is CE240184. Now I'm going to explain about electrical machine application in the industry, which is die-cut machine manual. The machine's main function is to cut, crease, and shape cardboard or paperboard into specific form, usually for making boxes, cartons, or packaging insert. Why there is a manual apostrophe beside the machine name? Because you need to manually operate the machine to use it. Now let's go to the technical detail of the die cut machine. The die cut machine use a Mitsubishi electrical superline three-phase induction motor, and this machine do suffer from several problems such as overheating. This overheating were caused by overload machine because machine is too heavy to press, poor ventilation or blocked cooling fins, voltage imbalance or incorrect supply, continuous duty beyond rating. So we do come to with several improvement to negate this issue, which is to ensure load matches the load rated capacity of the machine, which is 3.7 kilowatt. Second is check and clean air vent regularly. The third one is use a thermal overload relay or motor protection circuit breaker to protect the motor. And last, to measure supply voltage on all three phases to make sure all of the supply is in balance. Another problem that these machines suffer, which is electrical imbalance or isolation breakdown. This is caused due to the face-to-face or face-to-ground short circuit, moisture inside winding, or due to the aging insulation for the class E. So for the improvement to fix this problem is to use a mega ohm meter or insulation tester to test the winding resistance. Next is to keep motor dry and dust free. And the last one is to rewind motor if insulation resistance is below 1 mega ohm.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is Muhammad Zul Hakimi bin Satta, and my matric number is DE240101. Today I'll be talking about an essential electrical machine used in the printing and packaging industry. This is the die cut machine, particularly the Heidelberg cylinder die cutter automatic. This machine is specially designed to cut, crease or perforate material like paperboard or cardboard into precise and consistent shape. What makes the Heidelberg cylinder model stand out? It is its automatic feeding mechanism and cylinder-based cutting system, which allow for faster production and high-quality finishing. It operates with minimal manual intervention, ensuring safety, accuracy, and productivity. This type of die cutting machine is widely used for making packaging box, greeting cards, label, and various other paper products in bulk. In short, the Heidelberg cylinder die cutter represents a perfect blend of traditional mechanical engineering and modern automation, making it an invaluable tool in industrial scale and box production. Next, I will explain the electrical application in die cut machine automatic, which use the magnet three-phase induction motor model LS84 3/5. One of the key issues that often occurs is bearing failure. This problem is commonly caused by lack of lubricant, contaminant or edge grease, misalignment or high belt tension, and continuous vibration or shock load. To improve the issue and enhance the machine performance, several technical improvements can be implemented. First, use high-quality bearing which better sealing and heat resistant. Second, install a real-time bearing condition monitoring system to detect failure sign early. Third, upgrade to a better aligned belt drive system to reduce mechanical stress. And lastly, integrate vibration dampers or shock absorber to minimize impact load during operation. This improvement will significantly reduce downtime, extend motor life, and ensure smoother, more efficient operation of the die-cut machine. And last of the problem is the motor is not starting or keep tripping. Let's look into the possible cause. First, a faulty contactor or relay. Second, incorrect wiring. And third, mechanical block or a jam motor. And the last one is overload condition. To overcome this issue, we propose several improvements. First, test the contactor coil and terminal using a multimeter. Second, check whether the motor shaft rotates freely by disconnecting the load, and also verify the control circuit, especially the start and stop button and relay. Lastly, ensure that the starter is properly sized for a 3 kilowatt motor. Understanding and addressing this issue help us ensure the die-cut machine operate reliably and efficiently in a production environment. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amir Zain bin Muhammad Rizam. Matrix number DE 2482. And I will be presenting about one of the key machine used at the company, which is the cutting machine, especially the Pola 137 EMC monitor. This machine is widely used in the packaging industry to cut stack paper or cardboard sheets into precise dimensions. It uses a combination of hydraulic systems, mechanical motion, and a programmable control panel to ensure clean and consistent cutting. So in this machine, we will focus on most common technical problems, which is the first one is hydraulic system issues. Hydraulic problems are one of the most critical issue in this polar cutting machine, which is the most common is include the knife won't descend, jerky or weak cutting motion, excessive hydraulic noise. The main cause some of this problem is because of low or dirty hydraulic oil or air bubble trapped in the hydraulic lines or a worn out hydraulic pump or valve. So to solve this kind of problem or to improve this kind of problem, the company should regularly check and top up hydraulic oil using the correct oil grade and replace the hydraulic filters as part of the scheduled maintenance, or they can bleed the hydraulic system to remove air and ensure a stable pressure. By maintaining clean and properly pressurized oil, we can ensure that the cutting blades operate smoothly and safely. Now we move on to the second most common problem for this cutting machine, which is mechanical wear and misalignment. So the second common problem is about the blade and the back gauge. Over time, repeat cutting cause the blade dullness, misaligned cut, inaccurate cutting, paper drifts during cutting, knife does not cut cleanly or is noisy. So when this happens, it can lead to inaccurate cut, which affect packaging quality and the higher rejection rates in production. So to fix this issue, to improve this issue, the company should sharpen or replace the cutting knife, calibrate back gauge to ensure a perfect alignment, check and adjust air table pressure. So by clean the air filter and fan, and tighten all moving parts and verify sensor positions. So with this simple maintenance like this can help extend the life of the machine and improve the cutting accuracy.
Hi, so now we'll be talking about the discussion. So, during the industrial visit to paper print, box, and pack Sdn Berhad, we had the opportunity to gain deeper insights into the production process involved in packaging box printing. This visit provided valuable exposure, especially regarding the use of three-phase electric motors in the printing and packaging industry. Among the machines observed were the manual die cutting machine, the automatic die cutting machine, and the cutting machine, which is the Pola 137 EMC monitor. Each of these machines uses three-phase induction motors, primarily from the brands Boknecht and Mitsubishi. These motors play a critical role in powering operations such as accurate cutting, automatic paper feeding, and precise material alignment. If left unresolved, the issues could lead to production delays and compromised product quality. However, it was evident that the company placed a strong emphasis on routine maintenance such as lubrication of moving components, realignment of die cutters of or blades, and performance
monitoring of motors via current and temperature sensors. So now is the conclusion. So from an engineering perspective, the visit enhanced our understanding of how three-phase induction motors are practically used in industrial settings. By examining the motor nameplates, we learn how to interpret important specifications like power output, which is kilowatt, nominal current, and rotational speed, which is RPM, and power factor, all crucial for selecting appropriate motors for specific load demands. Overall, this visit provided us with practical knowledge about the connection between electrical theory and real-world applications in the printing industry. It also emphasized the importance of effective machine maintenance to ensure smooth, safe, and efficient operations. So that's all from our group. Thank you for watching.